Can someone hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay, my internet got interrupted. I have changed the network to another one. So I believe this will be better for us. It's very much better now. As I said, okay, I'm back. Like I said earlier, I would like to unmute. I would like to mute some of us so that there won't be much of noise, so that we can be able to hear each other. So anytime I want to take question, I will unmute everybody. Then we can have question together. Then if you have a specific question you want to ask, I will advise you put it up at on the chat link here, or you can raise your hand. I will give you attention then and take a question. I hope that will be fine. So let me mute everybody now so that there won't be much noise interruption. So as I was saying, for past 2 weeks now, we have been having great trading opportunity, and it has been positive for the past 2 weeks now. All our analysis and signals have been working very well, at least about 80% of it. Last month, we had a good success that we gained about 1,300, over 1,300 pips. So it's going to be good, and I think we should continue this practice. It will help all of us to become a very good trader. So let's start from currencies. Let's start from currencies today. Today is a Good Friday, and some market instruments all over the world is expected to close early. There's going to be change in trading time because of Easter Friday and the Easter Monday as well. Then there's something I want to share with us before I go in here. I discovered this platform is advanced platform that's very good and can help a lot of us to make sound analysis and make good maximize the use of the platform. See, have you checked every day about top movers? Top movers. It's a good strategy. On the top movers here, from the analysis, you'll be able to see the list of all the instrument that is doing well in a day, and the list of instruments that is going down in a day, every day. So you can have it on a daily analysis. You can equally have it on a weekly analysis. Now let's take, for instance, and you can as well choose filter the instrument that you want to watch. Let's take, for instance, you want to watch forex, indices, and commodities. So you want to know which one you should buy for the day and which one you should sell for today. And I can tell you, if you use this strategy, you can make good profits too. You have chance of making good profit. It is called following trend. To follow trend of the day or trend of the week or trend of the month. So using this strategy will help you to know which market, which instrument is going up, which instrument is going down. And as you can see now, let's follow, let's analyze from Japanese 225, that is their indices. You can see that it is seriously selling since today. It has sold about 1.22% negative. So those who want to sell these indices, using this analysis, can catch up some good pips before the market of the day will close. Then you can see from here, you see the list of instruments that are doing well, going negative today, going positive today from this side. You see that CARJEF is doing well today. JBP USD is doing well today. JPY is doing well today. JPP NZ is doing well today. Australian USD is doing well today. You see that AUD JPY is doing well today. All of these instruments, are perfectly doing well. Those that want to sell, you can see that from here, you see the instruments that are that you may sell, and they are you see that US Canada is going sell, US chef is going sell about now look at the secret here. For example, this is little change in price is about minus 0.14%. It means that if it's going to sell, it will have more potential to sell. So it's opportunity for anyone to buy, to sell at this point. You want to send me a chat? You say no audio, please. Why is it so? So check your system. It could be from your system. It could be from your system. Maybe you don't have your audio is not enabled or it's not supported. Check your system. Check your system. Check your system. Check your system. It's from your system. It's from your system. The audio is very clear and audible here, and a lot of people are also hearing me here. Now, I was saying something. Assuming you want to, okay, let me come up here. This is just a morning analysis now, and JBP USD is just 0.28% positive. It means that it's gonna go. It's possible that it's gonna go bullish today. If you check their chart here, you can see on the chart that it's already bullish. Let me check on daily trade, daily candlesticks today. You will see that as you can see, it is bullish. So possibly, and it's already broken this resistance here. So possibly JBP USD is possible to be bullish today, at least to maybe to some point of this place. It's possible that it can get to 1.25928 or possibly 1.27356. Now using this analysis, and now it's just showing you that it's just beginning. 0.27 is a beginning of this movement. So someone who may want to follow this trend can buy. You can buy JBP USD, and you have potentiality of making profit from JBP USD. A similar thing can be said when you want to buy, maybe sell US card or let's say US chef. You can see that it has about 0.14% negative today. So the market, as the market opens today, is going negative. So it is selling. So those who want to sell the market will make profit. That is the analysis of these top movers. It shows you the instruments that are going down. The top instruments that are going down, and here we show you the top instruments that are going up. So in a morning analysis like this, you can maximize the opportunity of buying this instrument since they are going up today, and selling this instrument since they are coming down today. Let me filter commodities and check. Let me filter commodities. So commodities, you can see that okay, WTI is going up a little bit. It's a little. This is just 0.04. These ones, I think the market is closed today because of it's very not volatile today. Maybe probably because of the holiday. This analysis here on WTI now is a good opportunity for those who may want to buy the oil to buy. And I can also tell you that oil is still very good. The opportunity in oil for buy, it is still good. This area are all buying zone. This we have been on buying zone in oil for about 2 weeks now. It's all buying zone. This area is all buying zone in oil. It's all buying zone. On Euro USD on 1 hour chart, this area is could be known as I can call this area selling zone. So here has formed a base. It's a base. So possibly it may have potentiality of short sell, having a short sell, having a short sell. It will have potentiality of having a short sell on Euro USD. So we can also go and check other instruments like we could see let's check CardChef. Let's check what is happening on CardChef. Sorry, open chart. CardChef on a daily trend, it is still going bullish here. So it is bullish. So it has a potentiality of rising more for here. You can see that here it's a bullish zone. It is a bullish zone, and you can as well see that it's already going up about 0.34% increase. Now let's check one of the volatile markets called Euro JPP. That's very volatile. Where is it? Where is Euro JPP? Euro JPP. Let me know if I can get it for you. Okay, let's check my earnings. Euro JPP. Okay. What is Euro JPP? Let me get it for you. Okay. Euro JPP is not. Okay, so it is still very good market here. Euro JPP is still very good here, as you can see. So it's a very good buying signal too, unless if this support, this final support is totally broken. So Euro JPP is possible gonna rise at this point, and it is also at the same time showing sign of rising, and today is going. It has started going positive about 0.2%. So that is analysis of using top mover. Top mover can give you a very good opportunity and very good direction to on any instrument, so that you can make proper decision whether you should buy or sell. So I'm available now to take some question. Any questions so far? Ask a question now. Do you have any question? So you can ask me a question. I'm listening to you now. No question?
So I have a question, sir, but I'll be too short.
Okay, yes, I'm listening to you. Ask a question. I'm listening. Ask the question.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
ask a question. It doesn't matter. You can ask question on any pair. If it's gold, we can go on gold and analyze for you. Anywhere you need to get question. For example, gold is selling this hour. Gold is seriously selling. At this point, it's a good opportunity to sell gold for 1 hour interval or 2 hours. Gold is seriously selling here. So, and as you can see, it has really dropped. Let's check it very well. Precious metal, good. So, ask a question now.
Okay, sir. Concerning the which one trades over the weekend? Because I know Forex doesn't, but which other one trades over the weekend?
I didn't hear you.
I mean, I know Forex doesn't trade over the weekend.
Okay.
I'm asking, apart from Forex that doesn't trade over the weekend, which other one that trades over the weekend? Which
okay, are you Michael Gabriel?
Yes, I am. I'm Michael Gabriel, sir.
Who watch clock for Buffett?
Okay. My answer question: Forex market opens from Monday to Friday. It doesn't trade on weekend, unless if you want to trade crypto. So crypto, you can trade crypto on
okay,
weekend.
It's only crypto that trades weekend.
Yes. You can trade crypto on weekend. Crypto is 24 hours market. If you know how to buy and sell crypto, you can do that. And unless if you want to do what they call volatility index, some of them can be open on weekend. But forex and commodities closes on immediately after Friday. So using a phone, don't know how or where to check or get audio sound. So this is your own technical issue. You have to work on your system. You have to work. You have to work on your system. You have to work on your system. So have I answered your question, Gabriel?
Yes, sir, you have. You have. Thank you, sir. So, secondly, based on your analysis, I really appreciate. I'm learning so far so good that I've been joining your classes, your webinar classes, and I am so grateful. I appreciate. I know it's not a one-day thing; it's a process, and I'm really ready to learn. I know that out of curiosity, I've blown my account and I'm willing to get more cash and then invest again.
Oh yes, okay. I think the next.
Hello, I have a question.
You have a question?
Yes.
Okay. So before I go that, Mr. Gabriel, I think you have given another insight. The next class should be on risk management. It's very important. Most traders don't know how to manage risk. I think we have to. I will make a note on that risk management seriously, so that many traders will understand the process of the concept of risk management, how to manage their risk,
okay, sir.
How to understand the between balance, equity, margin, free margin, and the margin level. So and how to properly know the best position when to enter the market and when to exist. Although we have seriously emphasized on the entering point and the exist point, but risk management should be another topic that's very critical for traders to know. Who again is asking question?
Me, I have a question.
Okay, Joel Omoroje.
Yes.
Okay, I'm listening now.
Okay. For example, now you said the gold is in the selling point, right?
Yes.
So is it possible that over the weekend now, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because the market is closed now, and we open back 10 p.m. on Sunday probably. So is it possible that if the market should open now, it should take a short sell and turn back to buy? Like to become bullish after a short sell?
Yes, it's possible. Very good. It's very possible. See, this technical indication here is for 1 hour.
Okay.
Then if you go on a daily chart, you can see that. Okay, this is daily chart.
Yes.
Daily chart is also talking about oversold. It's also indicating that gold has gone very much up here. But based on your question, anything can be possible, can happen in the market. Like this zone now, it's also a selling zone for gold. But anything can happen. You know, the crisis brought a lot of big instruments down. The price went down. So many market has more selling potentials than buy. But gold wasn't really affected. Maybe probably because in the Middle East, where gold is much traded, as you can see, gold has gone up to the normal price.
Yes.
I'm showing you weekly chart. Gold wasn't affected. Maybe in the Middle East, the coronavirus crisis didn't affect that zone much. It could be the reason. But as you can see now, gold has gone back. So, and this point here is a very strong resistance point. You see, 1.66. 1,600, yes, it's a very strong resistance point. Now, you know, when you want to trade on this instrument, you have to ask what has been the average buying price and average selling price. That's the question you have to ask. What range has it been for the years, for 2 months, for a week, or for all this time? So you can see that for so many weeks, let's say from how many weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like about 5 weeks or so now, the average buying price of selling price of gold has been 1.680. So now, using that analysis, it's not going to be good for you to be the person to buy at a higher price. It's possible. It's good to sell at a lower price then you sorry, to buy at a lower price, then you sell at a higher price.
That's true.
Yeah. So now if I'm to give opinion on gold, I will suggest more of sell than buying, because if you buy at 1.607, 1.680, but meaning that you're going to make profit when the market appreciates above this price, maybe 1.7, 1.8. And
which
now,
will take time. It will take
yes,
very
yes,
long for that to even go up.
yes, which may take time. Then if you check on monthly chart, okay, this is let me check monthly chart. But then you can also see that for how many months now. If you check from here, for how many, this is since 2012. That was when the gold was 1.7 here. Since 2012 was when gold was 1.7 here. Here should be
just
around
imagine.
so it is at the highest point at this point. So it has not gotten to this point since this is 2018. It wasn't at this price. 2018. Look at the price of 2018 is here. Let me get more sign vertical. So 2018 gold was here. Now this is this is the highest point of gold. So this area has formed a strong strong resistance. It's a strong resistance for gold. Sorry. Here now, it's a resistance for gold. So if I'm to give you a signal to buy, to trade on gold, I would suggest more of sell than buy.
True.
Yes, I would suggest more of sell, especially those of us who trade for a short time. I hope that is very clear.
Yes, thank you.
So any other questions so far? Any question? Okay. For if you want to join us, I think majority of us are already trading with us. I think we have one of the best trading experience that's coming to the world, and the system and the platform we use these days is advanced trading platform. I will encourage any one of us to participate. So if we get more trading signal, we send to the group. Today is Friday. Many countries are having public holiday. So we don't have much. We have by 9 p.m., by 7 p.m., that is 19:00, and the 6:30, we have a federal budget match. We have FOMC by 18:30. FOMC is one of the major instruments, major fundamentals to trade euro, to trade dollar, to trade USD, and we also consumer price index by the same. Okay, by 1:30 in the afternoon, we have consumer price index by 1:30. We have the same 1:30 core consumer price index that's coming up today. So these are the current economic event that's coming up now. It's all about USD. So possibly on Euro USD, there may be potential of sell. There may be potential of sell because of the fundamental news that is the fundamentals coming, because FOMC meeting and FOMC calendar master speaks. All these instruments is for dollar, is for US dollar. So when the reports become positive, it will become a positive. It will give strength to dollar. Are you with me, House? When the outcome of this FOMC become positive, it will give strength to dollar, and dollar we sell will be stronger than Euro USD. So Euro USD has the potential of selling. Probably that may be the reason why the price is here. Euro USD we have more potential of selling when this report is released. And if you place a sell today, you have potential of making profit. Maybe even on Monday, the market has potential of selling more because of this this event that's coming up. Let me check on news today to know if there's any serious news. Okay, economic calendar. Oil drama continues with the G20 meeting and spotlight. G20 energy minister, most equity market short for holiday. Okay. I will probably end the meeting from here and make more research on more trading instruments. So if I have any other opportunity, I will let all of us know. This one came in by 11:30. It's a jobless claim above 6,000 once again. US jobless claim report was released at 1:30. Reading, let me check this news. This could be a very good news for us. It came out yesterday, April 9. The US jobless claim report was released and once showed that a bigger than expected value initial job claim. I guess expected value continue. Okay. Okay, these are fundamentals, and it was yesterday that the news was released. It's not really current now. Okay, so I think there's no other question so far. So are we? For those of us have not been able to
just
sign up.
That risk management. That's
For those of us that have not been able to okay, I will be ending this session now. I'll be ending session now. For those of us that have not been able to sign up, you can sign up here, open a live account. It doesn't take more than a minute. You can get the platform you need to trade. There are different types of trading platform. There is SOH. Then there is a fantastic information here. Here this MAMTrade. For those of us that may need a multiple account management manager that may not be able to manage the account very well, you can use MAM. You can subscribe for our MAM services that can allow a portfolio manager to manage your account, and you will have a chance of participating in the market through MAM management. So, do you have any other questions so far? Okay, I think I will end the meeting here. I will send you more signals in the group if I see any good opportunity so far. Thank you so much. And make sure you stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.